Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby cap designs. You can see different style ideas in front of you. You can see baby cap designs, flowering cap designs, hat designs also you can see different color, different designs, different ideas, color combination also in front of you. Most attractive and most amazing collection for your cute kids. So dear friends, you can make this at home. So dear friends, you can also buy from market. So friends, you can also visit my channel and you can see different crochet material like this crochet baby cap design and others also crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby sandal designs, boot designs, fingerless gloves, crochet jewelry like crochet necklace, earrings, bracelets, finger rings and feet jewelry like anklet designs. So dear friends, crochet caplet, cap shawl designs, crochet poncho designs, garter designs, skirt designs, crochet outfit ideas. Dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. You can also order and you get amazing crochet materials. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.